Okay, it's recording. Alright, well, Mario and Stormy Rain. Well, I want to go outside. Oh, okay. See what that looks like out there. Oh, dang. It's raining, pouring.
Speaking of them girls, that's gonna take them out and get a boo.
Man, it's pouring. I'm gonna look see how bad it's pouring.
Gonna take them out and get a boo yet.
Probably. Oh, it ain't pouring that bad. But sure is getting wet. I'm not going outside. I'm gonna play my Xbox. Oh.
How's the door?
You're messing my video up. Quit it. Okay, it's still recording. Oh, well, see what's Luigi's up to. Alright. Let's see what Luigi's up to. La la la. Okay. What you doing, Luigi?
Mario, I'm playing.
What you playing?
Mario, I'm playing Shining Force #1.
Oh, are you really? I love that game. I want to play that game. I was gonna ask you a question.
What is that, Mario?
I forgot now. Oh, yeah, I was gonna ask you. Can I play that with you?
Sure, Mario. Wanna move the keys?
I don't think that's gonna help any. You wanna play it? It's outside raining right now, and
Oh, is it, Mario? Is it really?
yeah, go look. You can go look.
I'm good.
Remember, we're going to that softball game in Special Olympics.
I know. Mario, I know.
Oh, I'm gonna watch you play. Hold on. I'll watch from back here. Oh, I'm gonna see what Luigi's up to. What you doing, Luigi?
Mario, I'm playing Shining Force #1.
Oh, really? I want to play that. And Luigi, I got a question to ask you.
What's that, Mario?
Can I play with you?
Sure, Mario. Here, I'll use the controller, Mario. Here, Mario. Here, Mario. Here. No.
Thanks.
You better be helping you know how to play.
Oh, I know how to play. I played it before. It's my favorite game. Okay, Luigi, how do you play this again? I forgot.
That's just a test, guys.
Okay. Thank you, Luigi. I'm gonna play this, Luigi.
You're welcome, Mario.
Put it this way. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Y'all stuck in front of the freaking TV.
Alright, everything the other way.
Home, guys. Put it over right there.
Dang it.
Sure.
There we go.
Okay, let's get started. Alrighty. Neil's gonna play Shining Force 1. Well, right. Let's see.
Mario, go to the side. Look how much team I've got. Mario, go to the side. See how many players I've got now. So far.
Alright. Holy moly, you got almost everyone.
Yep. I'm with everyone, Mario.
You got Gore. You got, what was his one's name?
Mario, I don't remember.
Got
Mario, that one's,
remember everything, Mario. You got to remember everything, Luigi. I said my name too.
Mario, you did.
Let's see what this got there. Alrighty. You're a walker, right, Luigi?
Yeah, Mario. May is the girl with the horse. She is the horse too.
Oh yeah, she's on level 6 and he's on level 7. Yeah.
Mario, I know. Court. That's Court right there in the helmet.
Good joke, I get that.
Dude, he looks so weird.
Yeah, he does look like a little clown.
Mario, he's just a guy.
I know, Luigi.
That's the how. The one. That's the how, Mario. She's the one that takes care of magic. He looks good one too. Now I can't get him up to the next level.
Alright.
No. That's Chris in the box. These two right here is she's dressed in a suit, an army suit. He's dressed in with a star bunny.
Oh yeah.
She's dressed with scar bunny too. I don't care. Gong. This one you got right.
Oh yeah, you got him right.
Hangs is the one with Archer. That's the last one for Mars.
In your book right, Luigi.
Okay, Mario. I'm gonna play some a bit more.
Let's see what Bowser's up to.
Okay.
Hey, since he's over there busy, what's these three up to? Hey! Bowser, wake up.
What do you want, Mario?
Well, I was gonna ask you something, but I've forgotten again. Oh, you wanna play pool?
I don't know just yet. Give me time.
Okay.